You're doing pretty good there.
Yeah, I graded these carrots.
You did. You did very well.
Nice job.
Kirley, you're gorgeous. You know that.
Thank you. Better?
It's like I couldn't see myself. Kirley, can you pat Ethan? There you go. Get frosting all over him.
Gonna smile. Smile.
You don't do a good smile, do you, hon?
No, she tries though. She thinks she's smiling really cute.
She's done.
You don't want any more, honey? I got the best part off. Why should I want more? Come on. You want to bake some more? Look at that. That was just the white stuff. Rainbow and Air. My aunt one time came for my birthday. She likes to tell the story about the kids had never had cupcakes before in my kindergarten class.